Our values are at the heart of everything we do. So each person at Iken relates to and embodies those values, whether they're working with clients, prospects, or each other. We all have the same mission, so we prioritize understanding what matters, making the work life for our clients a little bit better, and being able to deliver reliably without overpromising. It's really important to us that we are able to ease a client's burdens to allow them to concentrate on what really matters, and that translates to our employees as well. Our approach to that is rooted in our sincere listening and our transparent communication with everyone.
So the role itself is a split between some fairly traditional kind of on-premise infrastructure, IT support sort of thing. So someone that's got a bit of a background in that, getting their hands kind of stuck in trying to unearth kind of solving problems. But also we've got the cloud side of our business. So someone who's got more experience on the Azure side, some DevOps, certainly kind of hosted infrastructure in the cloud, that sort of thing. But a bit of both. It could be an interest in one and experience in the other, or vice versa, and we'll train up the bit that's missing. I don't think there's a typical day for this team. It's a small team, but the area of responsibilities is pretty broad. But any normal day would involve possibly kind of dealing with an internal support request from one of our members of staff about something to do with their laptop or some issue with the network. Could be to do with implementing some new security measures on our network or our firewall, something like that. Bit of investigation into some new technologies, or it could be some work on our Iken Cloud product in Azure. So some of the kind of DevOps or infrastructure as code type of work that we do there.
Most definitely. So there's the obvious vertical progression into more senior roles within the projects team, but we also encourage individuals to look at other opportunities in other teams when they arise, if it's something that's of interest to them. So we're currently growing and scaling up our business. We've already introduced new departments, new roles, so we can see that there's going to be some progression in the next couple of years. We're investors in people accredited with gold as well, so it's important that each individual is looking at improving their skills, and we're helping to encourage them to do that. So in the first 12 months, they'll be exposed to all things Iken. So looking at different areas of the business, how we all contribute to the success of our business. One of the ways we do that is with company meetings. So once a quarter, we get everyone together for the day. We go through any updates. We look at any improvements or problems that might be in the business to help solve them. And at the company meetings, we like to integrate the social part of that as well. So there'll always be an activity plan. For example, we've gone to SS Great Britain before together. And there's also a group meal that happens on those days as well. So people who want to can have that human contact, even though we're all working remotely. We work with Bristol community quite a lot. So we are signed up with Bristol Works, who look to bring the quality work apprenticeships to young people. So we get employees involved with that as much as we can. And then our ongoing commitment to our clients is we'll help with their CSR pledges. So we always look to see what we can put into their community from our employees at the same time. So we have a range of benefits. We have flexible working. We have the increased holiday for length of service up to 34 days. We have a cycle to work scheme, childcare vouchers for working parents, a 6% employer contribution to our pension with Royal London, and we also have access to Perk Box, which gives you discounts across hundreds of brands. It's really important to us that the employees have a good work-life balance, so we're always looking at the benefits to make sure that they reflect